Welcome to OnPrintShop. Today we will see Design Tool Enhancement in OnPrintShop version 6.2 and how it benefits for our printers. So these are the key features for design tools. First is the promotional product, and for this we have additional option mapping with design tool, size and attribute by stock management, zoom and usability enhancement. After that we have form-based Studio Enhancements. For that we have PDF block text area editor, image quality check, auto update preview and multiple page PDF bind. After that we have improved user experience. For that we have template wise multiple back, filter, masking border, studio help message and alerts. First we will see promotional product enhancement, and for that we have additional option mapping with design tool. So how it will be useful to us? For that, if we'll go in our admin panel, so this is our promotional product of t-shirt men half sleeves. So if you will go in promotional tab, there we have added one feature over there of bind with additional option, and there is the three option of yes, no and allow edit on additional option page. So if you select yes option, then you can map your additional option with promotional product color or additional background images, and after that you can select the additional options. So once I'll go in storefront in our design studio, so this is our promotional product, and after that user can easily select the colors from here. After that we will see size and attribute wise stock management. So you can manage your stock in promotional product with the size and attribute wise. So here is the option of stock in admin panel. So once I'll select the attribute options over here, then I just need to save it. So once I'll save it, from here I can manage my stock, the attribute wise. So you can manage your stock with size and attribute wise. After that we'll see form based studio enhancement, and first we have PDF block text area editor. So what will happen over here, then in PDF block where you just want to format your text area, so you can easily format your virtual blocks more efficient way, and after that once the system will automatically add related tags for your block, and it will reduce the possibility of error while writing your tags. So you just need to select the formatting and system will automatically generate the syntax over there. After that we will see the improved user experience, and first we have the mask. So we have added one new feature for mask where the user will be able to apply different masks on the images in the Designer Studio. So if I'll go in Designer Studio, so here is the image which I have selected. After that, once I'll go in mask images over there, now we just want to apply mask over this in images, then we just need to select the image over here, then we'll go edit option over here, then we have the option of mask and border. So once I'll click over there in mask, so these are the different mask options available over here. You can select an appropriate mask, then you are able to apply mask images. So this all are the mask images available over here. So that is how you are able to manage your masks. After that, this is the borders. So user will be able to select the color of the border and width of the border to be applied on the image. So here is the option of border. So from here you can select the color of the border, whichever you just want to select. After that you can select the size of that, just 7. So this is your border. So that is how you can apply border on that image. After that, we have enhanced 7 filters to add effects in your personalized or selected images. For that, you just need to go over here in edit option. After that, this is the option of filters over here. So once I click on filters, so from here you can apply filters on your images. These are the 7 different effects available over here, like brownie, vintage, black white, technicolor, sepia and polaroid. So these all are the effects available over here. You can select any of the effect which you want. So these are the on studio features of OnPrintShop version 6.2. Thank you.